Hello students, this is our next topic, properties of triangles. This topic is also an important topic. You get minimum 5 marks from this section. Here we study 5 theorems and its problems. You memorize the statements of all theorems. No proof. Proof not required. Proof is not in the syllabus. Therefore, you memorize the statement of the theorems only. There is a figure in the blackboard, in the whiteboard. The figure is called triangle. You know that. This is a triangle. Triangle with vertices A, B and C, and name it as triangle ABC. In a triangle there are 3 vertices, 3 angles and 3 sides. Here capital A is an angle, capital B is the second angle, and capital C is the third angle. There are 3 sides. One side is BC is a side. That side is opposite to angle A. Here BC is the side opposite to angle A, and denote the side BC by small letter A. Therefore, small letter A is the side opposite to angle capital A. Here AC is another side of the triangle. This side is opposite to angle capital B, and denote AC by small b. Therefore, small b is the side opposite to angle B. Then the third side is AB. This side AB is opposite to angle C, and denote the side AB by small c. Therefore, small c is the side opposite to angle capital C. In the second sphere, there is a circle and a triangle. The vertices ABC on the circumference of the circle. Therefore, this circle is known as the circumcircle of triangle ABC. Circumcircle of triangle ABC. This point is the O. O is the center of the circle. Then OC is the radius of the circle, and denote the radius by capital R. R is the radius of the circumcircle. Therefore, side opposite to capital A is small a, this side is small b, and opposite to angle C is small c. Okay. Then find the ratio A by sin A. Angle A is known, therefore sin A is known, small a is also known, therefore A by sin A, the ratio is also a known quantity. Find B by sin B. Small b is the side opposite to angle B. This is given, small b is given, angle B is given, therefore sin B is known, therefore B by sin B is also a known quantity, the ratio B by sin B. Then C by sin C. So find A by sin A, B by sin B, and C by sin C. All these are equal. A by sin A is equal to, B by sin B is equal to, C by sin C. And each is equal to 2R, twice the radius of the circumcircle. This formula is known as sine rule. What is sine rule? In any triangle ABC, the statement is like this: In any triangle ABC, small a by sin A, sin capital A is equal to small b by sin capital B is equal to small c by sin capital C is equal to 2r. This is known as sine rule. It is very important. You memorize the statement of sine rule. From the sine rule, a by sin A is equal to 2r. From the sine rule, we get a by sin A is equal to 2r. Then cross multiply sin A. We get small a is equal to 2r sin A. This is another result. A by sin A is equal to 2r. Therefore, a by sin A is equal to 2r. Then cross multiply. Small a is equal to 2r sin A. Therefore, small b is equal to, similarly, b by sin b is equal to 2r. Cross multiplying, we get small b is equal to 2r sin b. This is equal to 2r sin b. And small c is equal to small a 2r sin a, small b 2r sin b. Therefore, small c is 2r sin c. These results are also important from the problem solving point of view. Next result. A by sin A is equal to 2r. Therefore, cross multiplying, A is equal to 2r sin A. Next, divide by 2r. Therefore, A by 2r is equal to sin A. Divide by 2r. Therefore, A by 2r is equal to sin A. Or sin A is equal to A by 2r. Therefore, similarly, sin B, sin A is equal to small a by 2r. Therefore, sin B is equal to small b by 2r. Sin C is equal to small c by 2r. These results are also important. Therefore, we study 7 results from sine rule. Sine rule is stated as, in any triangle ABC, A by sin A is equal to B by sin B is equal to C by sin C is equal to 2r. From that result, we get another set. Small a is equal to 2r sin A, small b is equal to 2r sin B, and small c is equal to 2r sin C. From that, we get another set. A by 2r is equal to sin A, b by 2r is equal to sin B, and c by 2r is equal to sin C. You memorize all these results. Next theorem, the name of the theorem is the cosine rule. In any triangle, this is a triangle based theorem. Therefore, in any triangle ABC, the side small a, that is the side opposite to capital A, A squared is equal to B squared plus C squared minus 2BC into cos A. Next result, the side B squared is equal to C squared plus A squared minus 2CA into cos B. Next, third side, C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared minus 2AB cos C. You memorize all these 3 results. It's very important. Here, transfer minus 2BC cos A to the left hand side and transfer A squared to the right hand side. We get transfer minus 2BC cos A to the left side is equal to transfer minus 2BC cos A to the left side and transfer A squared to the right side. Okay, divide by 2BC. Therefore, cos A is equal to B squared plus C squared minus A squared divided by 2BC. Here capital A. Here b squared plus c squared minus small a squared divided by 2bc. This is cos A. Similarly, we can show that cos B is equal to cos A, B and C. Therefore, cos B, C and A minus capital A, small a, capital B, small b divided by BC. Here CA, 2CA. Therefore, cos B is equal to C squared plus A squared minus B squared by 2CA. Next, cos C. B, C and A. No B here. Therefore, cos C, no C here. Therefore, A squared plus B squared minus B, B, C, C divided by CA, CA, BC, BC. Therefore, AB, 2AB. Cos A, cos B and cos C. These results are also important. You memorize all these three results. This is the cosine rule. Next, projection formula. This is also an important formula. Here the side small a is same as b into cos C plus C into cos B. In the left hand side small a and in the right hand side b and c only. B cos C plus C cos B. Next result b, side b is equal to a cos C plus C cos A. And side C is equal to a cos B plus B cos A. These results are also important. Therefore, you memorize these three results. Next, a formula, area of a triangle. Here given a triangle ABC with the sides small a, small b and small c and angles capital A, capital B and capital C. Then area of this triangle is equal to, area is denoted by the symbol delta, half AC, A and C and the angle, included angle B, half AC sine B. A, side C and the included angle, sine of the included angle. Another result, 1 by 2 A and B and included angle C, 1 by 2 AB sine C, 1 by 2 sides B and C and include angle A, B, C and include angle A, half BC sine A. You must memorize all these results. It is very important. You get one problem from this formula. First problem in this section. This is an important problem. Prove that in any triangle ABC, sigma small a into sine capital B minus sine capital C is equal to 0. In the left hand side there is a sigma symbol. Sigma means sum of 2 or 3 terms. That is the meaning of sigma. This is a problem related to a triangle. In a triangle there are 3 sides. Therefore, in this sum there are 3 terms. Sigma A is the first term. Therefore, the second term is B and the third term is C. Therefore, first you expand the left hand side. Left hand side is equal to, first expand the left hand side. First term A sine B minus sine C. The symbol is sigma, therefore sum, sum, addition, plus. Second side, first side A, second side is small b, bracket, here A, here B and C. Therefore, here B, therefore the inside bracket there are C and A. Therefore, sine C is cyclic rotation. This A, B, C. A goes to B, B goes to C and C goes to B. A, B, C. A goes to B, B goes to C and C goes to A. Cyclic rotation. Small a goes to small b goes to small c and small c goes to small a. Capital A goes to capital B goes to capital C and capital C goes to capital A. Therefore, capital B goes to capital C minus capital C goes to capital A. C goes to A. Sin A. Plus next side, third side small c into sin. Therefore, B goes to C. C goes to A. Sin A minus sin A goes to B. Sin B. This is the expansion of the symbol sigma. Then what is the value of sin B? We already studied the result. Sin B is equal to B by 2R or A into this is B by 2R minus this is C by 2R. You memorize that result. A by 2R is equal to sin A, B by 2R is equal to sin B, and C by 2R is equal to sin C. Here sin C is equal to C by 2R plus B into sin C is C by 2R minus sin A is equal to A by 2R plus small c into sin A by 2R minus sin B by 2R. Then multiply or remove the brackets. AB by 2R minus AC by 2R plus BC by 2R minus AB by 2R plus AC by 2R minus BC by 2R. Here AB by 2R, here minus AB by 2R got cancelled. Here minus AC by 2R, here plus AC by 2R got cancelled. Here BC by 2R, here minus BC by 2R got cancelled. Answer is equal to 0. This is the right hand side.